issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:33 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Watertown, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Watertown, Milwaukee Lake, O'Connell, Britton, Johnson Creek, Lac La Belle, Axonia, Ashevin, O'Connell, Milwaukee Lake, Chemiqua, Mapleton, Stone Bank, North Lake, Pipersville, Munches, Monterey, Lake Lac La Belle, and Summit. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.